Before testing the trusses for strength, you should have each truss labeled A, B, and C and drawn a sketch of each truss on your truss testing sheet found in the back of your curriculum notebook. Your predictions on the number of washers they will hold is listed, and your prediction on where the failure point of each truss is circled. If this hasn't been done, stop the instructions and do this now. Starting with truss A, lift up on the truss tester rod and place the truss in the wooden grooves on the bottom of the testing platform. Gently place the rod directly over the center support straw of your truss. Start by placing 5 washers gently on the rod. If that holds, place 5 more. Do this until 20 washers are placed on the rod. If the truss fails, subtract 2 washers from the total and record it on your truss testing sheet. If your truss is still holding, continue to add washers 2 at a time. Watch the truss for evidence of bending. A slight bend in the truss is an indication the truss is about to fail. You can stack washers higher than the rod if necessary. If the truss holds all the washers, watch the clock for 3 minutes. If the truss hasn't collapsed, add 5 washers to the total and record it on your worksheet. If it collapses within the 3-minute time period, subtract 5 washers from the total and record it on your worksheet. Here is a truss that is bending and about to fail. A little more weight and the truss collapses. Remove the failed truss from the tester. Examine the truss. Determine the type of structural failure, compression or tension. Record the number of washers held and the type of truss failure on your worksheet. When finished testing, add up the total number of washers held by all 3 trusses. How close was your prediction? Check out the chart to see how your engineering skills rate.